Okay, we are going to start with the quiz for pavement design, quiz number 1. Okay, first, this is our particular data. We have our Excel sheet here. Let me move here a little bit. Those are the data of the homework problem, so this is not related to the exam. Now we are going to proceed to change each number. We have the value of CR that depends on the reliability. On this case, we have to use a 98. So we are going to look on the book. I don't have the book online, so I will proceed to use the table on my book here physically. That should be here, table 11.15, page 512. And for a 98, we have a CR, 98 reliability, we have a CR of minus 2.054 for 98. Then SO, and our SO is going to be always for 0.49 for major highways. The SN value is a value that we have to find, so we're just going to delete it to avoid confuse. The service of the terminal serviceability is still 2.5 for major highways, or our PT is going to remain the same. Here I don't see that they ask us to change it, so it doesn't matter. The MR is still the value of the subgrades, that is 5,000. E2, that it's the resilient modules of the base course, it's going to be for 40,000. Whoop, here, there we go. Then the sub base says that it's 20. And automatically that gives us the values for A2 and A3 by the Excel sheet. Oh, sorry. We put the, I don't know if you can see what I do before, but I insert the values of E2 and E3 that we have here. E2 for the base, 40,000, and E3 for the sub base. And that gives us automatically A2 and A3. For A1, we have to look on the book. Again, I don't have the book online, I have it physically, so I have to use the table here. And for the resilient modules of the asphalt, that is 400, 4,100. So we're going to look our A. So it's figure 11.27 of the book. On page 516, we have 400. I'm going to support myself with a ruler, and then give us an approximate number of 0.41, I will say. So we change that here. We change this number from the homework that was 44 to 41 right now, but based on this resilient module of the asphalt concrete layer at 70 Fahrenheit. Now we're going to delete. I'm going to proceed to delete the previous thickness layers of the homework to avoid confusions. See, I delete all these, and this is the data that we previously find. Now we have to choose M2 and M3, and that's depend of the precipitation. I see that I have to use Houston, Texas, and as 50 inch of precipitation per year. And it says that the subbase and the base present fair drainage. So to look that, it's on the book 2 here on okay, in page 518 on the table 11.20. So we have that is greater than 25% because it says that it's 50 inch precipitation per year, and it says that it's fair drainage. So it's on the greater than 25% with fair. That is the third one, the one exactly in the middle on that table. That will be 0.80. So we are going to proceed to change M2 and M3, and we are going to put 0.80. I think when I click here, it's going to disappear again, but I will send it back again after. 0.80, 0.80. Oh gosh. Here, you see that we put the 0.80 on both M2 and M3 according to the data or drainage on the book. Now we are going to proceed to adjust our MR according to the resilient modules of the base, because that will give you what we need above that. So it will give you the structural number 1 that will give us the thickness of the asphalt layer. So we are going to change this for the base, that in our case is 40,000. See, you can see here that I changed it, 40,000. Now I'm going to, let me see if I do it this way. You can still look everything. Yeah. Here I have it, and now I'm going to click here to use solver. On solver, and we're going to use this equation here, and changing the Sn that give us a value. This is the homework value, it's not this one. For this exam, for this quiz, we have 10,000, if I'm correct. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 10,000. And we click solve. See, for a value of 2,000, we have to reach an structural number of 315. So we are going to change D1 till we find here the 315. I don't know why it's always disappeared when I click on Excel, but I'm going to start to put random values for 6 inches. That's 2, so we need to increase. I'm going to try with 7. It's still too small. We're going to increase 8. On 8 we have 3.28, that it's over 315, so I'm going to reduce 7.5. It's still 308, it's still lower, under, so I'm going to put 75. It's perfect, 318. See, I put 75, if 318, and we need 315. Now I'm going to proceed to put the value of the subbase to find Sn1 plus Sn2. That will help us to find the thickness of the base. Our value, I'm going to put it smaller so we can see everything. Our value of the base, as we say, of the subbase, sorry, it's 20,000, so we're going to change this for 20,000. See, 20,000, and are going to use solver again to find the new Sn. Solve, okay. Okay, our new Sn is 4.9, and previously we have 318, so we have to fill out this to match with this by changing D2, or second thickness. I'm going to put an arbitrary value first of 4 inches. It's still under, I'm going to put now 5 inches. It's still under, I'm going to put 6 inches. Almost, I'm going to put 6.5. 4060 is still under by a little bit, so I have to go 75 again. 6.75 give us a structural number of 4.09 exactly. 675. So we are good to go. Now we are going to change MR to the subgrade to find the last thickness. Oh, I just realized that we have to change the standard deviation to 0.4. So I'm going to do that really quick and see how that's going to affect us. I will have to do this process real fast because I don't have too much time. I think it shouldn't change too much, but we'll see. There we go. Solve. Structural number of 294. It changed. It definitely changed. So instead of 7.5, 75 will be it's not 7, it's 8. No. 7 to 85. Okay. 7.5. It's going to be our thickness of the asphalt layer now with that change. Sorry, I didn't realize. Now it's 20,000 to find the thickness of the base layer. I will use solve again real quick. Our new structural number is 382, so we're going to adjust to find that. 5, no, 6. With 6 is perfect, so it changed to match this to this. Now our thickness are 7.5 and 6. Sorry, I have to change the SO. I didn't realize here, I didn't read completely. Now I'm going to do the same with to find the last thickness. I will have to stop and start to record again. because I don't have too much time.